Switching over your customer database can definitely feel like a project when you start out, but honestly, once you get used to the layout, it completely fixes your day-to-day work. Today, we're taking a look at Pipedrive CRM, a well-known option in the sales space. To guide you well, we're going over the main steps you need to keep your sales opportunities moving along smoothly. We'll cover doing your baseline setup, bringing in your contact files, and building those quick automated rules that end up saving you hours of time every single week. So let's jump right in. Your first main task is getting all your team members into the system so everyone works on the same page. To start, move your mouse up to the top right corner of the main screen, click your profile picture, and select Company Settings. Next, head over to the option labeled Manage Users. Setting this up takes just a moment. Click the main Add User button and type in the email addresses for the people joining your account. Before you send off those invites, take a quick minute to think about setting up user roles. Pipedrive gives you plenty of simple options here, letting you choose who gets full admin control and who should only view specific sales deals or smaller areas of the app. You can also organize your team into special visibility groups. This is a huge help for bigger sales teams because it keeps reps focused only on their own assigned contacts, keeping the whole account clean and safe. Once you check the right permission boxes, hit Invite, and everyone gets an instant email link to hop right in. It's all about setting up a clean workspace for your team today. Taking the next step together, once your coworkers have joined, you will want to move your contact lists into the platform so you can start working right away. You can open this tool by clicking the three small dots on the left side menu and selecting Import Data. On this screen, choose the button that lets you grab a spreadsheet right from your computer. The system works great with standard Excel files and basic text lists. After loading your file, the application brings you to the column matching screen. This is a crucial step where you connect the headers in your document to the right locations in the app, like customer names, phone numbers, or business details. If you have extra details that do not match the main options, you can create a new custom box on that same screen. When every row is connected, you can review a quick sample of your data to ensure everything looks correct. The duplicate check tool asks how to handle names already in your system so your records stay organized. Click Start Import when you're finished, and your contacts load in seconds. Now that your contact lists are loaded into the system, you need a quiet place to handle your first talks with new people, which is why the Leads inbox is so helpful. You can look at this area as a separate holding room for people who show a bit of interest but aren't ready to make a purchase right now. Clicking the small target icon on the left side menu opens a clean space made just for checking out new names. This setup stops your main sales page from getting crowded with cold contacts or names that won't go anywhere. Whenever a new name lands in this space, whether you enter it yourself or it comes in automatically from your website form, you can add colored tags like hot or cold and write down quick notes about your talk. The best part about this waiting area is that it helps you separate good leads from bad ones. Once you have a real talk and see a true chance to sell something, you can turn that name into an official deal with one quick click. This action moves them right onto your main sales board without losing any written notes or phone numbers, helping you save your daily work time for deals that actually make money. With our top leads organized, the pipeline view becomes our main workplace for tracking daily tasks every morning. This clean, easy-to-read screen is what users enjoy most about this program, giving you a clear view of where each client stands right now. You can change the columns on your board by clicking the tiny pencil tool next to the pipeline name. Standard steps like checking names or sending price quotes work fine, but changing them to match your real steps makes even more sense. For instance, if your business offers custom work, you can create new steps for meeting people in person or checking job details. Moving your deals forward is very easy because you simply drag a box to the next column as sales get closer. The app uses helpful color indicators that show if a deal needs work or if an upcoming task is set. Red markers show you an item was missed, while green markers show you are ready for the day. This helps plan your morning work so you focus on top clients and never leave anyone behind. To make life even easier, you can let the program do the hard work behind the scenes by turning on the built-in automations feature. Just open up the Workflow Automations menu, and this is where you can really improve the way your company works every day. You can set up easy steps where one event starts the next step automatically without you having to click a thing. For instance, you can create a rule so when a deal enters the Proposal Made stage, the software emails your buyer right away and adds a reminder to call them in 3 days. This eliminates those dull desk chores that always slow you down after lunchtime. You can also configure the system to assign new contacts automatically, sending new names straight to the right salesperson by region or sales strength. You don't need technical skills to build these, since the whole layout uses a clear "if this happens, then do that" decision screen. Letting the software manage these daily tasks helps your business scale faster while ensuring reps spend time speaking with real buyers instead of filling out fields. We found that Pipedrive gives you awesome business tools while remaining super easy to use. It's a system that grows with your business, helping your team stay neat and on track as your company expands. If you want to manage your daily sales properly and stop losing clients to small mistakes, giving it a try makes total sense. Click the link down below to grab your free trial right now and test it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.